Hello everyone. So I'm coming up to 1 year of doing the method. So I decided I'm going to give 2 people a chance to start with CGM. So we all know how quite overwhelming the method is, and it's not cheap. And if you're starting out, you really don't know what products to buy, what to do, what not to do. So I'm here to help. So I would like to pick 2 of you, and I'll give you a free guidance for the whole month. You can FaceTime, you can message me, and I'm literally here to help. So I picked up like 2 kind of starting kits. This one is more like with the protein, this one is literally just for moisturizing. And I bought those like nice 50 milliliters samples. So I'll give you both like 5 different products, and I'll help you out with the method. So head to my Instagram page, which is Healthy Curls Now, and all the info is there. So just follow it. The competition is till this Saturday 16th at 10 a.m. and I'll just pick 2 of you, and I just hope that I can help you out, because I know that 2020 was already tough on all of us. Let's just make 2021 a bit more friendlier, kinder, easier, and yeah, let's do it together. So if you're starting out and need some help, please get in touch, because I'm definitely happy to help. Have a lovely day.